Happy Tuesday, everybody. Today's topic is food is powerful medicine or a slow poison. Today is Truth Bomb Tuesday here on the Daily Spoonful, and this one's big. Food is either fueling your health or your disease. You don't need to wait for a diagnosis to clean up your diet. The modern food supply, which is ultra-processed, high-carb, low-nutrient, is silently driving most chronic illnesses. Reversing conditions like prediabetes, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, hypertension, and PCOS doesn't always require a prescription. Often it starts with the next bite. When you eat whole, nutrient-dense, low-carb foods, you're lowering your insulin, reducing inflammation, and healing your body from the inside out. So here's today's nugget. Every time you eat, you're either feeding disease or fighting it. I worked with countless people who were told you'll be on meds for life. I treated these people with all their chronic conditions. But with food as medicine, they shocked their doctors. Don't underestimate the power of changing what's on your plate. So here's your call to action. Hit the like if you're living proof that food can heal, or tell me below what health win you've seen from eating this way. I'm so excited about our community group. We're hearing so many wonderful stories and testimonials. So your future health is written in stone. Stick around this week. We're just getting started. I'll see you in the next video.